Hello everyone, and welcome to the 2-minute video series of Amplify Chatbot. In this video series, we are going to take a look at FAQ apps that we have. Now, this FAQ apps will help you to build your own FAQ chatbot and deploy it on different channels like your website, your mobile applications, Facebook Messenger, and many more. This video series is divided into different parts. The first thing that we're going to take a look at is creating an FAQ document, which then can be used, for you to creating a knowledge base on the Amplify Reach Bot Studio. That is what we'll be looking at next, how to create a knowledge base. Third, we'll be taking a look at how to build a conversation around this particular FAQ, and which is basically a default template of that conversation is already available in your bot studio account. And then we'll be taking a look at deployment and integration portion and how different integrations help you from an FAQ perspective. Now let's dive in. Let's take a first look at the FAQ file that we were talking about. So in the FAQ file, you will see that this is a template. For first, in the column A, we have a title. Title is something which is a non-mandatory field. So if you have a title and if you are showing an overlay control for the detailed answers, then this title would be utilized. If the title is not available, then the question would be used instead of that. So we'll be going into the demo. You will get an idea about how the title really comes into play. The second column B is where we are talking about the question. This is the question basically used by the bot to train itself on what the customer is trying to ask from an FAQ perspective. Then you have an answer. A portion of this answer would be shown on the chat widget, and once the customer clicks on the link for that particular FAQ, a detailed answer would be shown to the customer. The column D basically provides a capability where you can actually provide your own website links out here. So let's say if you're hosting your FAQs on your website, then you can just add the unique links for each FAQ question answer that is there. And then you have an option of, instead of overlay, it can actually open your own website in a separate tab, and customer can take a look at the FAQ out there. Similarly, from the column E onwards, you can add additional variations of the question from the FAQ perspective. This gives you a greater flexibility to add a different variation for the same question that the customer may really go ahead and ask. And all of these questions are used by the bot to train itself to create additional variations of different things that may come into play. Now this Excel file is also available for download from if you go to resources chatbot, you will be able to see under the key concepts there is a knowledge base documentation. Under this knowledge base documentation, there's a link available for downloading the Excel template. So now stay tuned for the next video series, which would basically touch base upon how to create a knowledge base within the bot studio. And if you like the Amplify Chatbot series, do not forget to subscribe to this channel so that you are up to date on what all things that we are coming out with. Thank you.